video, we show you a little glimpse into our week here in Vicopisano, looking after guests, sharing meals and everyday life in our little corner of Tuscany. Oh, that was amazing.
Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to Tuscany, welcome back to Vicopisano.
And in this video, it's going to be slightly different from our regular videos, but we will be taking you a little bit behind the scene. You're going to meet some of our guests. You're going to see us cooking at home.
We've been invited for a dinner, actually. That was good experience.
That was a great experience. We were
Yes.
invited for dinner, and we also went back to the sea because we just can't keep away from it, can we?
Yeah.
Okay, hope you enjoy it.
Ciao!
First of all, we're going back to last week. We promised to share a few clips of shopping with our guests. Here we are in Vicopisano with John and Linda, popping into the bakery to pick up a few things for lunch. It was so busy, it felt like half the village was in there and we could hardly hear ourselves speak. So I'm going to tell you what was going on. Linda told me she really fancied risotto while she was here, but noticed it wasn't on any of the local restaurant menus. I explained that while you can find risotto in Italy, it's more of a northern Italian dish. So I suggested a better idea. Why not make it at home at Casa Colomba? So here's Linda choosing her ingredients for the risotto. So she was able to get cannaroli rice, the best rice for making risotto, some onions and some asparagus. We also spotted some fava beans, or baccelli as they are called here in Tuscany, which we often eat raw with fresh pecorino cheese. While she wasn't too keen on making a proper stock from scratch, we looked at shortcuts, stock cubes and granules, and then the big decision, beef or vegetarian. We also picked up something very classic, Tuscan soup, a simple vegetable soup with bread, slow cooked for hours, although many local delis now have it prepared. And the bakery was very clear on how it should be served. Just heat it up, add slices of raw onion on top as a garnish, and always drink it with red wine. Okay, we just stopped in to see Eleanor at Glitter as well. So, and Linda's bought a lovely present for someone. Obviously, I'm not going to reveal it in case they see the video before you get home. We were lucky to have some really beautiful sunny days, and for some of our guests that meant slowing things down, choosing to relax with us in the garden rather than rushing off sightseeing. It's always so lovely to spend that time together, but as with every stay, the days go by far too quickly, and before we knew it, it was time to say goodbye. Okay, so it's saying goodbye day, and we hate this, don't we, Lorenzo?
Lorenzo was really nice.
We love our clients.
So this is Margarito, and he's here with his lovely wife Sonia, but she's a little bit camera shy, so
That's right.
but she exists, she's behind us. But look, we were just saying how, look at your bargains. So these guys went to the antique market, didn't you? You were here for the antique market. You bought so much stuff.
Had to put it all in there
And where did you get that case from?
at the antique market. 25 euros.
But you got two, didn't you? Where's the other one? Here.
This side.
Oh, inside.
Yes.
That is so. Well, I think you have done a first, guys. You've come to the antique market. You've bought so many antiques. You've had to buy two suitcases.
Yes.
Sonia, it's you doing all the shopping, isn't it?
He's doing the painting.
He's doing that. So where are you guys off to next?
We're out to Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Oh, that's great.
Visit some family.
And you've got the bells fanfaring your goodbye for you.
It doesn't get any better.
Oh, and have you had a great time?
Amazing time.
Yeah. And Sonia, have you had a good time?
Amazing. I don't want to leave.
Oh,
It's a
bless.
dream come true, honestly.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so we'll let you carry on filling up the car so you can get to Barcelona.
Heavy.
And Sonia gave in. Here she is. Ciao, ciao, Sonia. Ciao, ciao. Bye. We always feel so lucky to meet so many different people. No two guests are ever the same. Everyone has their own story and each one brings something a little different to our days. Like Alex and Monica, who invited us over for dinner at their holiday rental, a lovely place that's part of the authentic Tuscany family.
we're just enchanted by what this experience is, this home, the community. It is so amazing.
This is such a treat for us. We have been invited for dinner by Alex and Monica, who are guests of ours. They're staying in a lovely property called Apartment Lorenzo. And they've invited us for dinner. Look at this. Alex with his little penny and his hat on, making the Aperol Spritz like a professional.
Yes, so we are, in the middle of spring. So, spring has not sprung totally.
No, it hasn't, no.
And so anyway, it's a little, it's cool.
It is cool.
So this hat really helps me, to keep the heat inside.
That's
Instead of
fantastic.
dissipate it, I didn't come to Italy to be a dispenser of heat.
But it's lovely and warm in here. We were treated to a lovely selection of antipasti starters to go with our spritz. Some with a little Mexican twist, which we really loved.
It's
probably a pecorino.
We have some stuff, or not, some artichokes.
Lovely.
Some mortadella.
Mortadella.
Your favorite.
Oh, what have we got here?
Maybe we have
Bruschetta.
garlic, yes, basil,
That looks
beautiful.
lovely.
For my Mexican roots here.
Fantastic jalapeno.
But they're good. Yeah,
They're
but
good.
And,
Okay.
and then these are zucchini.
Mexican style also.
Wow, we can't wait. What a treat. Chef at work.
Yes. And this is no easy task.
Working on somebody else's cooker. It's all this medieval stuff, isn't it, that's confusing.
The modern stuff.
The induction. Alex kindly cooked fish for us, knowing that I was a pescatarian, and honestly, everything was just excellent. Oh, that looks amazing.
This is what you call eccellente.
Eccellente. Let's have a look. We had such a special evening with Monica and Alex. It was a real treat to be so wonderfully looked after during one of our busiest periods. We don't often get time to prepare proper meals at home during the season, so evenings like this feel extra special. So normally we take you out to lunch for us, but today Lorenzo is going to prepare us an artichoke salad because they're still in season, aren't they?
Yes.
And so hey, how do you prepare an artichoke salad, Lorenzo? Here we go.
This is one of our favorite vegetable, artichoke. What I'll do, I remove this part like this, and I keep it for other things, and then I clean all the artichoke, remove all the hard bits, okay, one at a time. Poi tagliamo il cut in this part, we cut here part, and we clean inside here. Okay, I'm rubbing and the artichoke with the lemon to not make it, and then I'm gonna put him inside here for now, and I carry on to cut all the others. Okay.
So you're just removing those hard leaves.
Yes.
How far do you know how to go back?
When they become soft, very soft, and then you stop. I'll show you now. You see they're very fresh. They're cracking. Very good.
Is that a good sign to be cracking?
Yes. And then you cut them like this.
You cut off the point.
Point. You clean inside here. There is a part inside the big bitter. We remove it. Okay. And we
Rub the lemon over
wrap
again.
the lemon over. Now we're going to make the vinaigrettes with the fresh lemon juice, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper.
Lorenzo just realised he needed some prezzemolo, which is parsley. Is that enough?
Yes, enough for us.
So this mint just started sprouting out of a pot. We've got mint all over the garden, and
Yes,
as many of
beautiful.
you gardeners will know, it's better to keep it in a pot and not let it spread all over the garden.
Yeah.
So Lorenzo's going to add a little bit of mint, a little bit of a twist.
Absolutely.
It's great, getting rid of all the hard bits. Keep the form of the artichoke. So Lorenzo, it looks like you finished this. That was very sneaky. I wanted to show everybody how you put it all together. But anyway, do you want to explain what you did? So
Yeah, I put the dressing, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I dressed with a bit of parsley, and that's it. Fresh parsley from the garden, done.
and there's some mint in there as well,
Yeah, a
isn't
little
there?
bit mint. I like mint.
Okay,
yes.
and then you shaved parmesan
Yes,
on top of it.
parmesan.
Absolutely delicious. So we're going to eat this today for lunch with some fresh tuna, which we got from our local fishmonger, Simone. And that is a lovely, fresh, easy lunch.
Okay. Ciao.
After a few beautifully slow sunny days in the village, we headed to the coast to spend some time with family. My cousins had been staying with us, and before they left Tuscany for their flight back to the UK, they really wanted to see the sea. And as you can see, the weather had changed, but that didn't stop us enjoying the sea air.
Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to Marina di Pisa.
Marina di Pisa. So we're standing at the mouth of the Arno River, the main river that travels through Tuscany. Starts in the hills above Florence and it comes down to the Mediterranean Sea.
To Marina di Pisa.
To Marina di Pisa.
Yeah.
So we're actually out for a lovely morning. It's a free morning,
Free
really,
morning,
isn't it?
yeah.
And
Which is very rare, by the way.
so we're here and we're showing our cousins around.
Yes.
So we're going to introduce you to them as well. All right.
Ciao.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay. Ciao.
As you can see, it's a little bit overcast today, but it's actually very, very warm. And I just wanted to point out to you that here at the mouth of the Arno River, we have these little wooden structures which were built after the Second World War by the fishermen. I don't think they're used anymore. They're called retone, and I would absolutely love to be able to go over to one of them. I know that in some parts of Italy where they have these little fishermen's huts, they've turned them into really posh restaurants. If you ever find yourself down at Marina di Pisa, there's a lovely walkway here, and the pathway is literally between the sea and I call it the marina, but the correct name is the Porto of Pisa, so the Port of Pisa. It's very small, but it has some nice big yachts in there, so I'm going to show you those later. But on this side, I've got the sea, and on a very clear day, you can see Viareggio, you can see the hills of Massa Carrara, which is where the marble comes from. And it's just a really peaceful place to come and have a walk, come and have a passeggiata. So Lorenzo and my cousins are up ahead. We decided that we'd have a little walk to build up an appetite before lunch. So what have you spotted here? What is it?
Pardon?
What's here? What are you all looking at?
I'm all looking at the boat, you know.
And what's here?
These guys died for this boy who died in 1995. to save another life,
Oh,
and then he drowned here, basically.
bless him.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. That's a shame. So it's like a memoriam.
Yeah.
Young boy died trying to save others. Oh, what? What was that?
Ladybird.
Oh, okay. Oh dear. Well, anyway, I got that all on film. That's brilliant. So we're just looking out at all the boats here, which is great. There's a few big yachts in. So we're just explaining. This is my cousin Scott, and this is his lovely wife Sharon.
Hi.
So they've been here lots of times before, haven't you? But you've never been to this little bit, the Marina di Pisa, no?
No, this is new.
New. What do you think of it?
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely big boats.
What do you think of all the hills over there? They're great, aren't they?
Yeah. Covered in cloud.
Covered in cloud today, unfortunately.
Okay.
So we've built up a little bit of a, I don't need my glasses for this bit actually. We've built up a little bit of an appetite, would you say?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Should we go and have lunch?
Okay.
Okay, andiamo. Lunch was at a lovely little place on the seafront in Marina di Pisa, and I had been there previously with my friend Sarah. The atmosphere here is just beautiful. They always play ambient lounge music or soft jazz, which I can't share with you due to copyright issues, hence my commentary again. I remember they bring you delicious bread as you sit down, drizzled with their own olive oil. One of those simple touches that sets the tone straight away. I chose the rosé wine again, a Tuscan blend with a beautiful colour that pairs perfectly with seafood. I'd forgotten my cousins don't actually eat seafood, so the owner kindly offered them a pasta with a rich ragu sauce instead. Lorenzo and I both went for the fish burger with moscardini, small baby octopus. It was so juicy, and I have this clip here of Lorenzo tucking in as all the juices spill out. Here's mine, I cut it in half. Honestly, it was delicious. Sadly, the weather took a turn for the worse, so we moved inside for our coffee. It felt like there was a storm rolling in, and the staff quickly cleared all the tables from outside and brought everything indoors. We, on the other hand, braved the bank of white pebbles one more time to get closer to the waves. It's after lunch. How was your lunch, guys?
Very nice.
Buonissimo. That was great lunch. But something's happened to the weather, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's turned, and I got a little bit of rain, didn't you?
It's raining.
So as you can see, we moved from our little walkway at the Porto, and now we're here on the beach, on the white marble beach, and it's blowing up a gale.